Professor Joydeep Dutta is the professor at KTH Royal Institute of Technology, Sweden. And he is the head of the Functional Materials Group in the Department of Applied Physics. He completed his PhD in 1990 under guidance of Professor A.K. Barua from the Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science, IACS, Kolkata, which is the oldest research institute in Asia. In 1991 and 1992 he did postdoctoral work at the Electrotechnical Laboratory, ETL, Japan, and at École Polytechnique, France, before moving to Switzerland in 1993. He was associated with the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, EPFL, in Switzerland for a decade until 2003. He spent almost a decade at the Asian Institute of Technology, AIT, in Bangkok, where he was professor and vice president, academic affairs. Prior to moving to KTH, he served as the chair in nanotechnology at Sultan Qaboos University in Oman for 4 years from 2011 to 2015. Dr. Joydeep Dutta is Professor of Functional Materials at KTH since 2015 with research focus revolving around the application of nanomaterials for energy and environmental mitigation. His broad research interests encompass development of nanomaterials for planet care and healthcare applications, including enhanced treatment of impaired water, desalination, catalysis, photocatalysis, etc. He specifically utilizes visible light photocatalysis for degradation of microplastics, reduction of greenhouse gases, as well as generating hydrogen gas from cellulose waste. He has active work in blue energy production, from the mix of river and seawater. One other project is related to develop multifunctional paints, anti-corrosion, anti-foul and self-healing, using bioresources. He also works on capacitive desalination, removing salt from brackish water, and cleaning mining water tails. After more than a decade of research, Professor Joydeep and his multinational team have come up with a startup named Stockholm Water Technology, which gives a unique solution for water treatment called capacitive deionization, or CDI. This technology does not use any membranes in which ions are separated from the water instead of water from the pollutants. Professor Dutta is the board member of Stockholm Water Technology, which is among the 41 top sustainability startups and companies in Sweden for 2021. Professor Dutta won the Choice Award for Outstanding Academic Title in 2010 from American Library Association for the book, Fundamentals of Nanotechnology. He has also written 2 other textbooks entitled, Introduction to Nanoscience, and Introduction to Nanoscience and Nanotechnology. Professor Dutta has 250-plus peer-reviewed research publications, with more than 13,000-plus citations with H-index of 58, 11 chapters in science and technology reference books, 15 patents, and he has delivered over 100 invited and keynote lectures. He is in the editorial board of a few journals and regularly referees articles in international journals. Professor Joydeep Dutta's research is included in the prestigious Research 2 Business, R2B, 100 list released by Royal Swedish Academy of Engineering Sciences, IVA, which covers the research projects focusing on sustainability with significant potential to have a positive impact on society.